In this video clip, I'll be talking about the proper sandpaper grits. If you look at the back of your sandpaper, there'll be different numbers on it. This piece has a number 60, this piece has a number 80, this piece has a number 100. The higher the number, the finer the sandpaper. And the higher the number, the smoother the sandpaper is going to sand. In addition, a lower number grit sandpaper is a lot more aggressive and takes off a lot more material than a higher number grit sandpaper. When I sand the projects that I build, I usually will start with a 120 grit sandpaper and I'll sand my entire project. Then I'll move up to a 220 grit sandpaper. Now this is going to give me a real smooth, real soft feeling finish on my project.